How to use Ticketmaster gift card. If you want to use the Ticketmaster gift card, then first go ahead and open up a web browser and log into Ticketmaster.com account. Simply type in www.ticketmaster.com into the web address bar and then search. Once you're inside the main homepage of Ticketmaster, make sure that you're signed into your account. After you are, go ahead and select a ticket for your event and then proceed to the checkout page. Once you are done with the tickets, simply go ahead and proceed through the checkout, and then you can use your Ticketmaster gift card during checkout with the purchase. Now, in the checkout page, you'll be able to see the payment area. While setting up a payment method or making a payment, click on this Add Credits, Promo Codes or Gift Cards option. Now, you can enter your Ticketmaster gift card inside the text box that appears soon after you click on the option. Go ahead and enter your gift card number available on your gift card itself and click on the Apply button in order to apply the gift card with the purchase. If you're not being able to see the gift cards option here on the payment area, then that means you cannot use a gift card for that particular event. That is how you'll be able to use Ticketmaster gift card in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.